Alright, I'm going to teach you how to pick the locks on handcuffs. And they're real handcuffs, see? There's no little release lever or anything. They're real police handcuffs. Alright, what you need is a bobby pin. And to make this bobby pin, what you do, I prefer the wiggly side, like the one with the curves in it, instead of this side, but they both work. I just think this one works better. Now what you do, you take the hole, like there, it's a flat piece right there, and you stick it in, and you're going to bend it that way, so it's going to bend that way. You'll have this piece in, and you'll bend it that way, and then you flip it around, put it back in, and bend it again, and then that's what that would look like afterwards. And there's other videos on YouTube and stuff teaching you how to make these things. But what you do is...
So you mind me asking how much you paid for it? No, I'm not going to tell you how much I paid. Okay. It was a lie. Okay, so what are we looking to do? Buy or sell it? Sell it. So I'm looking to sell it.
You put a lot, you put the
How much do you want for it?
pick...
Well, this is more like I love this book, but I don't spend that kind of money.
You put the pick
into
the thing like this, so it'll be like that. You push it in, and then you should just poke around a little, and then you can, you see, like that. And all I do when I do that is I try and find the spot. Hang on. You put it in through the long part right there, you see? And I just wiggle it around a little until I can find the spot. And I'll do it with the handcuffs on too. And these are the kind of keys for it right here. This is the kind of key it takes. But, okay. And as you can see, I have the hole downwards. So, hole downwards. Okay. Like this. It's flipped over. And put in. There you go. And I cannot do the left hand for some reason. It just annoys the crap out of me. You see? I just can't get that one. Alright, well, thanks for watching now. You know how to pick handcuffs off.